In Florida, if you're married, you are responsible for your spouse's debt. I'm sorry. It sucks to hear that, but it's true. If you go and you get a divorce, any debt that your spouse incurs during the marriage is going to be divided 50-50, and you're going to be responsible for half that debt. You might be able to negotiate certain things. Maybe they take on more of the debt, but they also get some more of the assets to offset it. But anyway, the cookie crumbles in the actual settlement process. You're going to be assessed 50% of any debt that's in the marriage. It doesn't matter what they're spending it on. There's a couple of exceptions. If it's gambling debt or drug-related debt, if somebody's buying drugs on a credit card somehow, that might be considered dissipation of marital assets. If it's spending on a credit card that's directly related to an affair, you might not be responsible for that debt. But any other debt, I'm talking student loans, property debt, private loans, loans from parents, credit card debt, vehicle debt, if it's incurred during the marriage, it doesn't matter if the card's not in your name, if it's his personal credit card that you've never seen a statement of. If he's spending the money, you're spending the money. That's an important thing to remember when it comes to get divorced in Florida. If you've got a spouse who's just racking up debt, that's your debt too. You might realize that it's in your financial best interest to punch out of that marriage as soon as you can before that spouse incurs any additional debt, because you're going to be paying 50% of it.